Since I was a child, I was never, ever satisfied with what others did. What I did had to be better, had to be quicker, had to be cheaper, had to be stronger, had to be some adjective that showed better than or improvement on. And throughout my time, because of this, many times I failed, because it's a nice goal to have, but you generally fail. But I learned very early on that it doesn't matter how many times you fail, it matters if you succeed. And therefore, I wasn't afraid to fail at anything I tried. When I basically was a child, I was lucky. My father was involved in the medical imaging project, and he was a professor at SUNY Buffalo. And as such, I got to see firsthand as a child how computers can influence medicine and can make the doctor more wise and aid the physician in diagnosing what's going on. So many years later, when I was a grad student, a friend of mine who was also a grad student was working on a medical imaging project. And when I saw what he was doing and he asked for help, I basically recast the solution to a different way. And that eventually became my first patent.
So Ophir is unique in that as an academic, he is very interested in furthering commercial endeavors. And what I mean by that is he's very good at coming in, looking at a system, figuring out where its bottlenecks are, and identifying a couple key simple ideas that will improve throughput. Whether that's about a communication system, whether it's about a medical process, whether it's about bioinformatics, information retrieval, he's very, very good at simplifying down what is the goal and what are some really unique ideas and clever ways to think that problem through and do it more efficiently.
What he has been able to do is to take information from the records of healthcare providers and help to make sense of it in an operational way so that we can identify whether individuals are struggling with mental health issues. The ability to use this health information to provide actionable information. So it's not just a research area. It's not just, something that's going to get published. His work is being used by the National Suicide Prevention Hotline.
It's unusual to have an inventor, especially someone of a PhD in computer science, to go with that scope of technology. I've never seen such a thing in our firm, and I think this goes to show what kind of person Ophir is as far as how he treats his education, his experience, and how he wants to benefit those around him. He does not stay in his office. He's out there. He's talking to a lot of people. He's even this week he brought yet another device to me through someone we have worked together with in the past related to safety and for park districts. So it's never. I guess I'm always surprised with what he brings my way.
Whenever you turn on and you see something that you have done and it made a difference in other people's lives, it feels fantastic. That's one of the things that fuels me to keep going, I guess.
He's better than I am. So people, when I tell them that he's better than I am, ask me, doesn't make you mad? I say, no, it makes me happy. The major goal of a parent is to have children which are better than he is. And I'm successful.